Hi there, it's Kathy House with Be Creative with Kathy, and in this video I'm going to show you how I put together January's Crazy Card Chics to Go kit, or card, or whatever, this right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. All the pieces and parts are here in your envelope, aka your kit. We're going to start with this piece here. Now, I've already put the tear and tape on there for you. We need to just take that tear and tape back off. And then we're going to close the card. Now when we close the card, I just suggest that you get the sides nice and straight so you have a nice crisp card when you're all done. I am going to run my bone folder over that adhesive to make sure it's nice and together. And then there's a score mark here where we're going to open the card. This is called a bookbinding card or something like that. And then here, that inside, now if you want the happy birthday on there, fine, we're gonna put it like that. If you don't, you can stamp your own greeting on there and turn it over and it'll work fine that way too. But I'm gonna go ahead with what I have on there. I'm gonna just take some tape runner here and put my inside right here with a nice border all the way around. So it looks like that. Okay, now we have our card base all ready to go. Okay, bring in those other pieces. I'm gonna start with this piece of basic white. I've already put the mounting foam on there, but we need to add our designer series paper. Now, if you notice, all of our designer series paper isn't the same, but they all have that festive, nice color coordinating. They all work well together. So with just a little bit of liquid glue, and this one's almost gone. I might have to get my other glue. Let's see if I can get enough out of here. Oh, and I lied. Look at all that. Oh, no. We might have enough glue and we might not. But I'm going to use liquid glue because it has a little bitty border. And so that way I can slide it around on my white and get that little border on that white. So slide it around a little bit. Whoops, make sure it's straight. There we go. I'm happy. I'll give it a firm press. And let's see, I think I want to attach it to my cardstock so it looks like, or my card base, so it looks like this. But first, before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and take my ribbon and tie just a simple knot around this layer here of the designer series paper and that basic white. Just like this. Nice little twist there in the center, and just a simple knot we'll do here in the corner, or in the corner. I can't do two things at once. There we go, but I did tie a pretty good knot. I'm pretty happy with it. I want to move it over to this edge, so let me slide that around. Looks like that. Get it where I want it. Just a little bit of snips here, and let me trim that down to size. There we go. So far, so good. Now I'm going to just take those backs off and add this. There we go. Try to get those backs off. Add this to the front of that card base. And there I have them all off. Like I said, we're going to just take this, lay it here on the right side so it still opens like this. Right on there with a nice border. Card still opens nicely. Then these two here are stickers. So I'm going to take my little U here and place that right on my ribbon, just like that. And my celebrate, making sure that I get all those little pieces and parts out. See if I can get that. Nope. There we go. Hang on, I'm going to get the little sections of my E. Stick those on there. One more. Okay, and then I'm going to just put this right above my ribbon. Nice and easy, made into a sticker. And there we go. Now my ribbon here is not sturdy, so I am going to take a glue dot and just slip it under my ribbon, and then that'll hold it down on that card base like that. And there you go. So there's our card, just like that, just as easy as that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of Crazy Card Chicks, and I look forward to seeing you next month. Take care. Bye-bye.